It's two types. One is common wali and one is special wali. Make a note for that, That's teaching for you people. That's why you come here, to learn something. Okay? That's in my mind, to explain you. Maybe you know before that, but maybe better for some time in your life. So waliullah, the common wali is everyone. Who says? Not me or Sheikh. Allah says, Allahu waliyul lazina amanu. The person in Hidayat divided by two things, kufr and iman. A kafir can't be a wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whatever make the dawah, I can fly in the sky, lot of people, the kafir people, they can do that, especially Hindus and these things. So the people are impressed by this person, even this Hindu. Even the moment people start saying, no, he's something, waliullah, he's doing this thing, and they start going to him for the cure, the things, That's a weak iman. Baat samajh aa rahi hai aapko? That's the weak iman. Only knowing the ولایت and something, Like a lady back with me, and after a week she asked me, Hassan, when am I going to see the Karamat and Kashf? I say, Inshallah. You have already seen the Kashf and Karamat. What you waiting for? So, wali is common, wali is everyone. But as divine on the line is that kufr and iman. The kafir can't be the dost of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who is it? Not dost? Any of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How come dost? He don't believe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he can't be almost kafir. But the moment you say, La ilaha illallah, kama shahada, immediately, without any effort, anything, Allah says, he is my dost. And I promise, Allah says, whatever we do, we should not do, but in the end, I'll take out from the head. That's the difference between kafir and iman. Because I declare he's my friend is friend. And then I forgive him. But it's not astaghfirullah. That's not our destination. Not at all. We don't have to displease Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a moment, A person's full life pass with the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Astaghfirullah. So, but he said, I declare he's my friend with the iman, so in the end of the day I'll take him out from the head. I give him some place in the Jannah as well. Because he had iman, I declare he's a friend. So, they become two friends. One is khususi and one is common friend. Like, everybody have in his life some common friend, some very first friend. What's the difference between the common and special friend? He is common friend. Assalamu alaikum, all right, finish. The smile face, shake hand. Hello, fine, yes. No activity. Common. Bit special. First, hello, nothing. Where you been? Not seen a long time. So this bit friendship now different. समझ आ रही है आपको? किधर थे देखा नहीं आपको, बस इधर था, ओके ठीक ठाक चलो खत्म. तीसरा दर्जा फ्रेंडशिप का आता है. Telephone him, he tell me, what you doing? Go and eat something outside in this nice weather. Go there. I treat you. Burger and this thing. Okay, I'm coming. And they used to sometimes sit down and drink and things like that. See each other. Sometimes they telephone some disturb. So this is the third stage of the friendship. The fourth friend. He don't say where, how. He says, I love you. Friend says this. When he said, I love you, the situation changed then. He's on their stage, he's trying to sacrifice the thing for each other now. समझा रही बात? ये सब दोस्ती की बात है. अल्लाह ने कहा मैं दोस्त हूँ. Then he can sacrifice, give me 100 pounds, 200 pounds. He not ask you once you give me back. But he won't be the cheater, he give him back. Friends. He never ask you, give me, please, you have, no, don't need for that. Immediately when he will get back the money. And they care for each other. They are in any difficulties with each other. They are more than the relations of things. It's not necessary that every relation have the love. Yes, many brothers sitting there, but they don't love. He's my brother, finish. And he is there, he is there. Highness, his brother, no love. So many things in the heart. But sometimes the friends become more than that. And relation goes up for that. Uncle se zyada, sabse zyada. Dost. So in this friendship, he's eating something. Oh, he's come back. Oh, he come back. We have very nice dish. Come eat it together. So he remembered all the time. Think about him, his children, his position. That's the good stage. How this increased? From smile, then where are you? Come on. How increase, That he sees once you see him, you say, you like him, he's a nice person. Then again he see you. How are you? I've seen him, mashallah, look fine now. That's job. Don't know his job. He gives the answer about this with a smile face. Then he gives little bit. Then they both sides try effort to make good friends. होता है ना ऐसा? इसमें कोई लालच नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई तमन्ना नहीं है. He's a nice person. Very sympathetic. Very beautiful. तो ये तो है एक हमारा common, this is the friendship between us. The same thing goes with friendship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says, all the only Amun is my friend. Which friend? Hello, how are you? This is friendship with Allah. It's common friendship. Not that. ठीक है ना? बात समझ आ रही? मेरी तो ऐसी है, आपकी तो माशाल्लाह बड़ी होगी. So when you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my friends, some brave people say, he is a beautiful friend. When I ask something, he give me. When I have some difficulty, I'll call him. Nobody looking at me, but he looks at me. I feel nice. So then, if someone wants to try to increase his love with his true friends, to more, Allah says, come on, do. I'm ready. He said to them, give the message, every Muslim in their heart. Come on, have my friend. Stupid yoga person, he must be stupid if you don't make good friendship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Can you find any friendship like that in dunya? Impossible. More than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we don't care for that. We increase our love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And all this stage goes there. And the one stage comes, when Allah says, I love you, you love me. But take great stage. So all this will have. He's not say the Amnu one time now. Amnu mean, yes, you're my common friend. Then he said again, Amnu billahi Rasuli. He is my good friend. Now he believes on Allah and His Prophet now. The true friend then start believing to Allah and His Prophet sallallahu. सबको समझ आ गई बात में? Everybody understand it? चलिए carry on now. Oh, now what's the position, boys? You are here. Do you have desire to increase the love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Really? That's your aim? That's your objective? Not to make? Hands up. झूठे हाथ नहीं उठाने हैं. Okay, down. Because first they notice all these things. Who's right, who's not. Because they help you now. Allah helped you make you friend now. You pledge in a mosque in front of a fakir. झूठा हो ही नहीं सकते फिर आप. यहाँ झूठा बोला तो फिर खत्म मामला. Okay? Okay, then tell the way. How Allah says you can increase the love and friendship with me. I tell you the way of that. What's that? Zikrullah kasira. He didn't say namaz. He didn't say Quran. He didn't say Ramzan. He didn't say anything. What he said? Remember me in excess. Ya alladhina masqula zikran kasira. Wasabbihu bukratan wasila. As much as a person remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is going to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.